One of the things I get really worried about when filming these videos is not coming off too douchey. You know, being an American in Europe, you already have 2 strikes against you. So you always want to be as humble as possible, not be too douchey. But my camera guy here is pushing me to brag a little bit about my work. So I want to say that I'm really good at what I do. Actually, you know what? I'm great at what I do. And I really think if you want to boost psychological safety, if you want to create more passion and more daring and more boldness in your team and your culture, you should contact me and you should work with me because I burn for it and I love it and I throw all of me into the work. Was that too douchey? What do you think? The whole great thing's too much, wasn't it?